Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
What are characteristics of Snowflake directory tables? Choose two. I'll give you a couple of seconds to try and answer this question. If you need, please pause the video. And the right answer to this question is directory tables store file level metadata about data files in a stage, and directory tables can be added to a stage when the stage is created or later. Now, before we jump into a demo to determine if these options are correct, I want to bring your attention to these two statements. Directory tables are separate database objects, and directory tables can be used only with an external stage. We will in this demo see why these both are not true. So let's get started. We are going to start off by creating the target database. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a stage object. Now, if I go and I select the directory from my stage, you will see that it is going to error out. It says directory not enabled for stage my stage. So essentially what I need to do is that I need to alter the stage in order to enable it. I could alternatively also create this stage again, and during the creation process say that enable equal to true. So if you come to this answer, we get this: a directory table can be added to a stage when the stage is created or later. So with the alter we can do it later, or during stage creation we can do it with directory enable equal to true. Now that we have created the stage, what we are going to do is that we are going to run the select statement. Now a stage is a place where files are stored, and as you can see over here, it gives us metadata information about the file: its size, the last modified, the MD5, the file URL, and its path. So if you come here, this option which says directory table store file level metadata about data files in stage is also accurate. Now there are two other options that we need to talk about. Directory tables can be used only with an external stage. Now over here, as you can see, I'm going to create an internal stage. And once I have created this internal stage, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do a directory select on the stage. Now at this time I haven't put any files into this stage, but what this shows is that I can create a directory, I can enable directory object on an internal stage. So this option which says that directory tables can be used only on external stage is not accurate. Also, directory tables are separate database objects is proved false by the fact that I actually alter the stage in order to enable the directory object. So this also shows that the option directory objects are separate database objects is not true, because I can enable it with the alter statement.